ASTS stock is showing some strength, or has shown some strength in this regular session of today, the 25th of July 2024. Up, as you can see, 22 point roughly 22%. What we have, it says here that the company has announced a successful completion of its first 5 commercial satellites called Bluebirds. Each satellite has communication arrays measuring 693 square feet and are now ready for shipment to Cape Canaveral during the first week of August, which with a 7-day launch window in September. The first 5 commercial satellites are the largest ever commercial communications arrays deployed in low Earth orbit, designed to provide cellular, broadband, and support other government applications. So before now, the stock, yes, you can see strongly bullish, strongly bullish. We can see its 10-day moving average, I want to believe, primary supply line. This began sometime in June of this year. Each time it got there, each time it dipped towards it, rebounded, pivoted. We saw it on several occasions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is so reliable, if you like. And since when was it today? That was yesterday, I think yesterday as well. Yeah, yesterday it repeated again, so probably 6 or 7 times, so maybe if it pulls back, would it pull back? But if it does pull back, well, I wouldn't say that it will still hold, but going by what it has done, you may want to say that that will be the case. This is quite interesting. A lot of money in the stock. So it began to pull up. It began to it started to show. It turned bullish. The beginnings of this bullishness began all the way back in all the way back in the middle of May. You can see then it was trading at $2.96. So on this daily chart, the projection we have, it may not be the most upper projection. It's $17.56. Let's look at the weekly chart and see if we have anything higher than that. 17.56. Let's see anything. No further projection. We actually have a downward projection of 12.63. Let's see where that is. What that correlates to on its daily chart. 12.69. Let's see. 12.69. Let's see. 12.69 is currently just slightly below where its 10-day moving average is at the moment. I just saw this move now. I just saw this projection shift slightly upwards to 15.81. Okay, it's a downward projection. It has as a matter of fact, it has adjusted again to 15.80. So it's 16.78. It's alive. The projection is very much active. You can see that 15.82 again. I've changed like 4 times in the space of less than 30 seconds. Okay, yeah. So once again, the projection we have here is 17.56. We may have interesting ones on the 4-hour chart. Let's see. This is also the 4-hour chart. This is also the 4-hour chart. Yeah, we can see now it is trading right outside of its price channel, so we expect it to pull back and come into this price channel. Let's also see what we have here. 15.36. 15.36 is 15.36 is we saw that earlier on, somewhat related to one of the projections on the daily chart, but we'll come back to that. So there are no upper projections. Okay, you can see that we have something. We have a correlation here, 15.42. So this is more like where that the price channel the price channel. This is where the upper line of the price channel is here on I think on swim. So it's expected that it will come back into this below 15.45. maybe come into this sort of range all the way down to 14.3, 14.28. 14.28. Let's also see what that correlates to. 14.28. Let's look at the daily chart. We might see what we want to see if if it correlates to its 10-day moving average. Let's see. 10-day moving average is 13.2. Okay, let's go back again. 13.2. If it's exactly where that is, if it's right around where that yeah, okay, 14.33. so even at that it's just going to be somewhere just slightly above that 10-day moving average. So there's a good chance that if it pulls back sufficiently below this 15.3, then we might see another rebound, another pivot, and that all of these validates the theory that for us to see another trend, a mini trend, for us to see another mini trend, then we should expect it to pull back. We should expect it to come back into this price channel. So it's looking like it's going to do so. We have already seen that it dipped slightly now. It reached the highs of around 16.8 at some point, the highs of the session. Okay, so yeah, if it does pull back, it will also satisfy to be more like what we were seeing on this. We can equally see that on this 4-hour chart. The 10-period moving average is also a primary supply line. We have seen that, I think, more of it. Yes, we've seen that. Yeah, primary supply line. As a matter of fact, it has the 20 and the 10 are pretty much that as well. Pretty much primary supply lines. But of late is mostly the 10-period moving average on this 4-hour chart. But on the daily chart, it is most certainly the 10-period moving average. It is just very fascinating. It's much clearer here on Charles Schwab, because we don't have a lot of indicators on it. Yeah, you can see that this is a 20-period moving average. So the 10-period moving average is somewhere around there, somewhere intersecting through the chart. Yeah. So this is the 1-hour chart. Yeah, sorry about that, some noise in the background. Yeah, so yeah, this is what we have. Upper projections towards $17, but expected pullback, and after that maybe we might see it print high highs towards 17.56, but we're not giving up on finding higher projections. Let's see, this is the 1-hour chart. There isn't anything there. Let's see, look at the 45-minute. Let's look at the 45-minute. Let's see. Okay, it's almost at its most upper projection, which is $16.32. Let's see, this is the 45-minute. Let's look at the 30-minute and see. Okay, we don't have any here, any upper projection on the 30 minutes. So 14.2, you know, the downward projection quite similar to what we have on the price channel, sort of projections, downward projections that we expect that that's likely to happen, you know, pulls back and then will present definitely another opportunity to even go higher. Okay, yes, we have some high projections, 17.27, 16.78. I think it has actually printed something like that in intraday just a few hours ago. 5-minute chart, let's see. 5-minute charts, we have 16.91. Okay, we actually skipped the 10-minute. Let's see, look at the 10-minute. Yeah, projections all the way 16.78. Yeah, so let's see what's going on here. Okay, let's look at the 1-minute here on Think and Swim. So right now it's just right outside of its price channel. A rebound is expected. It's expected to maybe come back into the channel. But yes, it has given up some of the gains it had earlier on. Have a look and see what you make of ASTS, and thank you very much for watching this video.